Paul is the VP of Sales for a multinational FMCG company. He is on his way to a regional sales meeting and needs some KPI details for a couple of key accounts. Hey BoodsKapper, what is our fill rate at Walmart month to date? Paul is unhappy with current month's fill rate of only 97% when it was 99% last month, and goes on to view the detailed report. He identifies there is a significant quantity canceled in division beverages, driving the overall fill rate down. With SAP's in-memory database, the application can comb through millions of records in real time, and Paul can see the exact transactions that were cut. Do you have any insights on why the fill rate for beverages is so low? Yes, order 10032 was canceled due to quality issues. Thanks. You are welcome.